This is the Inkatha Gaming channel, and we're here today with part 2 of our Lord of the Rings Collector Booster Box. We've already gotten the One Ring. So we've got 6 more packs and a box topper to open up. Let's give this a go and see what kind of value we might get. Ooh. I like the Kingfisher. I think maybe if it was 2 mana, I don't know. 2 mana, it would have to be like an uncommon or rare. Then you'd probably see more. Ooh, which king? Okay. And the Oathbreakers, very frustrating to play against. 3 rings for the Elven King. It's Bravery, Gone, the Patient Plotter, and a Last March of the Ends. Starting off pretty decent. Wizards Rockets. Yo, Wizard Gandalf. Not some conjurer cheap tricks. Ooh, Barad-dûr. Fortune. Riders of Rohan. Gandalf the Grey. Nasty. Bravery. Minds of Moria. Yeah. Whoever did this foiling and the Wilds of Eldraine foiling, I mean that needs to be how it is, right? We don't need Prinkles. Brush it around. That's Bible. Soul Rings. Call for it. Lash the Balrog. Pippin. Guard of the Citadel. Ooh. Hey, Orcish Medicine. Best medicine. Good drink. River. Shelby's Shire Sheriff. Frodo. So we've seen Círdan and Elrond, so that's 2 Lords of Ring. Right. We got a Gandalf, it's a 3rd one. Those are the Elvish rings. The Oathbreakers. And a River Daughter. Minus Tirith. Samwise, those stuff. Another Samwise and Sting. Let me know. You think Sting will show up in a lot of commander decks? Pretty nice. Kind of got pseudo vigilance. Give it haste. Kind of like boots. Gandalf. Display of power. Ooh, file. File. Frodo. Schmeal. Bad. Armor. Another minus Tirith. Huh? Not great. Let's see. Right. Isn't this the oftentimes the make or break? So. And. Hey, we got a wasteland. You know? Excellent. Well, let me know how you think part 2 went. These 6 packs. Always, hope that you're getting value in everything that you open up. Buy singles. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe. That really helps out the channel as well as any positive feedback you might be able to give us on improving things. We're always looking to make things better. And be well.